Now let me add one node point with respect to this flow of execution. Okay, and with respect to this output. Okay, from source to destination. Uh, so we can place multiple directive tags. Directive includes or include directives. Include the directives. Include directives in one source JSP program. Source JSP program, but all these directives, but all these page directives, sorry, not page, but all these include directives, but all these directive, so instead of, to make confusion, to avoid confusion, I am doing include, but all these directive, but all these directive includes don't know because it includes and include name itself. Otherwise, let me add. All these include directives. Let me make it correct syntactically. All these include directives. All these include directives includes destination code. Actually, name is include directive and includes source destination code. I don't know how to convince. All these include directives adds or you can understand, guys. Includes all these include directives will include will add or includes the contents of specified files or programs. Specified destination files or destination programs. Source JSP equivalent solid. We can also use include directive We can also use include directive to include the contents of .html or .text files. Okay. All action tags JSP internally uses one or other main feature of solid programming to complete their operation operations. And action tags contains only XML syntax to use. So let's work with action tag. JSP colon include It's XML tag, right? JSP colon include, JSP colon forward. आता आपण include tag पाहिला. Okay, directive tag. But now we are working with the include tag. Sorry, include action tag. Now we are looking for now action tags. Okay, we shall see tomorrow. Action tags. Again, you may get the question. So already JSP people, the creator of JSP, already they have given the include directive tag. Then what is the purpose of action include tag? Question is there. I have self, I have this. Sorry, self in Swift. Wait, I'll go to that later on.